Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be coloring our winter landscape which we made in our previous videos. So we will start by coloring the tree using my brown oil pastel. First, I will color with a medium brown and I will leave some white spaces in between. And next I'm going to shade with a lighter brown shade. So whenever you are coloring with oil pastels, your hands should move in circular motion. You can make the trees different shades of brown as per your choice. And I am going to highlight the spiral area with my black oil pastel. So I have used brown and a lighter brown. Now we will learn how to color the trees using brush pens. So first we have taken two brush pens, light brown and dark brown. So first we are going to color with the light brown brush pen. You can use any medium you like. This is just to give you an idea of how you can do your drawing with different mediums. Now next, here we will shade on the borders a little bit with a dark brown color and then blend it with a light brown color. Now this same way you can finish everything. Now next, in the background I'm showing snow. So for that I take my dark blue color and color like this in the background and then shade at the top with a darker blue color. If you don't have a darker blue, you can put a very thin coat of black and then blend it with the other blue. Now next, we are going to blend at the bottom with a white oil pastel color. If you want to show fog, you can also use light gray. We are going to color the same way till the bottom. Now after this, we are blending till the bottom. If you feel as if your white color is not giving shades of blue, you can add a little more blue on top of your white color. And I am making the second layer of the snow a little darker. I'm showing a dark outline on it. This way we can finish the whole sky. Afterwards, this is what it looks like. Now we are going to color the houses. So for the houses, I'm using my brush pens. You can use oil pastels or any other medium you have. So first I'm coloring it with a light brown color. We will not color the doors, the windows or the icing. Now after this, I am shading in the house with orange brush pen in certain places, as you can see, and yellow brush pen to give it a brighter look, and then color the door with yellow brush pen and a brown doorknob. You can shade the door too with orange and color the windows, curtains as per your choice. Now I am going to do the snow at the top. So first we are going to put a little bit of dark blue and then shade it with white. The same way we made snow in the sky. Same way we are going to color the other two houses. For the second house I am using a combination of purple and blue, and for the third I am using a combination of pink and purple. Now in the background I am adding some more shades of blue and white to show more snow. Now this pathway, you can color this using any color. Here I am choosing blue, then making a shade of silver. You can leave this shading part as per your own wish. I am making some lines inside to give it a more realistic look. And this is our final drawing. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and bye.